In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install a shock absorber on a front load washer. So most shock absorbers on front load washers are held in place by a nylon type pin that has a little locking tab on it. So usually some manufacturers will supply the shock with new pins. Some expect you to use the ones that are already in there. Either way is fine. They usually stand up quite well. Ideally you want to put a little bit of a lubricant on them when you go to insert them. Either a Vaseline or if you have some kind of a light grease type lubricant is fine. So to put it in, we're just going to bring the shock down to its mount location. I'll put a little bit of lubricant on the pin and just insert the pin. You might have to wiggle the shock a little to get it lined up. So now we have the top one in place, we just need to put the lower pin in and that shock will be secured. So if your shocks don't have this style of pin, they may very well lock into place just by twisting, and depending on your machine and your make, it may be over on the sides or maybe two on each side, or like in this one there's three, one on each side and in the back. But again, you'll just lubricate your pin, put your shock into the mount and insert the pin. And there, that pin is locked in place. So now that we have our lower pin in place, you can see that the shock is working fine. So for this model, all we have to do is put our back cover on and our repair is complete. And that's how easy it is to install a shock on a front load washer.